If you are using forms to create online exams, quizzes, recruitment tests, some surveys and questionnaires, you definitely need this countdown timer feature inside your form. With this countdown timer, a timer will be added to your form. The timer will be displayed to the visitor and the form will get automatically submitted once the timer has been completed. So FormNX provides you the option to add either a whole form countdown timer or a per page or per questions timer. The form will get auto submitted once the timer has been completed, so no answers get lost. Fair start on a welcome page. The countdown timer will only start once the participant clicks on the start button or in the welcome page. And a red color notification will be displayed once the timer has been reaching towards its end. It will also record the time taken for each of the responder to complete the form. With this countdown timer, you can turn any quizzes into a time exam. It works inside FormNX. You don't need any separate add-ons. Let us see how you can enable countdown timer inside your form. Go to the form builder, click on the setting tab here. Scroll down near the timer, click on enable timer. When you enable this timer, the welcome page will automatically get enabled inside your form. So once I have enabled the timer, the welcome page will be added. I can click on this welcome page and add some of the instructions. I can change the heading, your quiz, add a subheading here, add some description, change the button text. Let me add the button text as start. Go to the setting once again. You can see we have two different timers type, whole form or per page form. With this whole form, one countdown timer for the entire form. The form will automatically submit when it reaches 0. And when you click on per page, a separate countdown timer for each of the pages will be added inside your form. Let us first check the whole form. Click on whole form. Let me set the timer as 1 minute for now and preview the form. So the timer will only start once we click on the start button in the welcome page. Let me click on the start button here. You can see the timer has get started. With this timer, the form will automatically get submitted once it reaches the time up to 0. Let me add the email here, select some of the options from this and let me wait for a few seconds so the timer will automatically submit. Now you can see the timer has turned into a red color, showing the users that we are already reaching towards the end of our timer. Now you can see the form has automatically get submitted. So this is how the timer feature works for the whole form. Let us go to the second option, per page. If we click on per page, we can set a timer for each of the pages inside our form. We will add another page here. Okay, I have added two pages here. Go to the settings. You can see it is showing me page 1, page 2, page 3. I can set separate timers for each of the pages. Let me set all of the timers as 10 seconds. If I don't want the timer for any of the pages, I can simply leave it as 0. But let me set the 10 seconds for all of the pages. Preview the form. So here also the timer will start only when we click on the start button. Let me click on start. You can see the timer has automatically get started and it will automatically advance or it will automatically go to the next page once the timer has been completed. You can see it has automatically went to the next page. Let me click some of the options here. Click on next. You can see the timer has reset and it's started once again from the 10 seconds. Now it is automatically submitting my form. So this is how the timer feature work. Let me check all the responses which I have received from this timer feature. Click on the view button here and you can see inside the view button it is showing me the number of seconds taken by anyone to submit this form. Time taken is 27 seconds. For this time taken is 1 minute. So this is how the timer feature works. It is very useful to create any kind of online exams, quizzes, recruitment tests. Along with the timer, you can add some more features. For example, you can go to the settings, click on quiz mode. You can enable the quiz mode here. With this quiz mode, you can add some points. You can do a lot of things inside this quiz mode. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please feel free to add a comment below, or you can contact our support. Thank you. Have a great day.